What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. My name is Eric, and we're here with the investment channel. Guys, tonight, this is my third video, and I'm going to be talking about BlackBerry. I've had a few people ask me on the in the comment sections if I could do a video on it, if I was going to trade it and stuff. And one thing I did not tell you guys, I've bought BlackBerry since $4.74. I had 100 shares at $4.74. How did I find it? A few months ago, I was just reading a few things. I be scrolling on, I be looking at stock, kind of like, you know, when you scroll on Instagram and looking at like pics and stuff. I be doing that with stocks. So BlackBerry caught my eyes back when it was like $4 and some change, because they had started working into the software of a I think auto manufacturer in China or something like that. And so they're kind of changing the model, the work model, the how they're working right now, the business model. That's what I meant. So I was like, oh, has really good potential. So you can see when it ran up to like the 28s in the 20s, I sold it for. I didn't sell everything. I sold. I have right now. I'm probably holding about 19 to 20 shares because I had to take the profit and roll it into my longer term investment. Because remember, I'm in the Roth IRA. I have BlackBerry in my Roth IRA. So even if I sell it, I really won't be paying taxes on it. And I had the idea that, oh, BlackBerry would eventually hit $20 plus. They hit $20 plus in like couple of months since I bought it. And because I'm not paying taxes on it, that's what I did. I sold it, and then I bought some Facebook shares. Why Facebook? Because I believe Facebook is so freaking undervalued right now. Between all the FANG and whatever, Facebook's not even $1 trillion. Guys, I'm telling you, Facebook, out of the line right now, but Facebook will become $1 trillion company eventually. Okay, they purchased it for a customer service company. My grandma is even on Facebook and knows how to use it better than I do. So they have customers right there. Okay, until they turn the switch and then start monetizing all these single users. Okay, but that's something for another video. But as I was saying, now if I was going to trade was it BlackBerry this week? To be honest, I just made a video on Nokia, whatever you want to call it. I feel like Nokia has a better setup, to be honest, if I was going to trade it, especially because they have earnings coming this week. And again, it all depends. It doesn't matter which way we look at it. It all depends if like Robinhood, the brokers, start allowing people to buy more. Because I'm telling you right now, unless something very illegal is happening behind our backs, which most likely is, and we just will never know until probably like 10 years. Oh, you guys know, but back in the billionaire stuff, you know, they're gonna start going up, and including BB. But keep in mind, if I'm gonna be looking into the charts, to be honest, I kind of like the Nokia setup better, just a little bit than BB. Not to say that this one cannot go higher. All right, so let's look into this real quick. So it had a high of $28. To be honest, when it hit the $28, I didn't even notice. Okay, I did not even notice it, because I was always thinking about BB as like a long-term play. Okay, but so when it came down to like this levels right here, then I started selling. So let's see here. We're sitting at $14.04. Back at support level. Okay, we saw this one right here, but it had the breakout right here. What is that? $13.54. So that's something I would keep an eye on that level, the 1354, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 1354. Because if it doesn't break that and it bounces back on Monday, then we could see a easy. Let me change that real quick. So we could see a potential of 30%, a 30% run on to like the 18s and 19s on Monday, if it bounces and things do go if the brokers allow people to start buying stuff. Okay, but so those two, if you're going to be trading it, just keep an eye on that. Know that a lot of people are looking at this. A lot of people are also looking to short this again, and it doesn't matter. There's always going to be different opinions in the stock market. Okay, so with everything that's going on right now, not always, but I'm also expecting that some regulations will come on like how companies will be able to short another company. Okay, not companies, I mean like people or hedge funds. I believe a regulation will come out on this. It was too big. It was just way too big not to have it regulated. But I'll never know what's gonna happen until like the SEC actually comes out and then does something. I don't know if people will go to jail, but this thing was crazy. But yeah, guys, so if you're looking to trade BB, just keep that in mind. The support level of 13.54, and I wish you good luck if you are gonna take part of it. To be honest, I probably won't. If you're wondering, I probably won't touch it. I'm probably gonna look into Nokia. Okay, not BB. But guys, if you are gonna do it, good luck. Okay, I hope you make good money, and I hope as well that you at least have a Roth IRA with some money in there. Maybe you could flip it and put it into something that's longer term. Foresight, something like that. Guys, thanks so much. You have a great night. I'm done with this. It's my third video, and I'm gonna be recording my fourth video right now. And you're gonna hear my thoughts if I'm gonna be staying with Robinhood. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you're new here, go ahead and please subscribe, comment, and leave me a like, and let me know what do you think. Okay, thanks so much. See you pretty soon. Bye.